What's up, guys? Today, and we are doing some fun with some good old permanent lighting here. And I'm just gonna walk you through this house because this is kind of a big house and it's kind of a interesting house. And so we actually did this house, and then about a mile away from here, I did another house, and I'll show you a video of that house. And we still got some stuff to do here, so we'll be able to get some nighttime shots of this. And so this one did have some challenges that we had to overcome by doing this house here, of doing the permanent lights here. So here you can see this went pretty easy. We just did the permanent lights. Yes, I know the color is different because she is getting ready to paint it the other color. We was gonna wait till after the fact, but then we decided she wanted them done so that she could have them for Halloween this year and Christmas lights. And so we did have to overcome here. Basically, we just drilled a hole up on each side of that block and we traced our wire over top of that. Another challenge we had here is another arch here. So we had to make this archway, and so we had to cut it every 6 inches so that it would allow it to bend around there and not be too bad. And so that was another issue that we had to do on this house. We're still not all the way done. We are actually going to power inject on this house, being that that is 100 feet, plus this was gonna make it too much and too long. DJ throwing stuff at me. See, we are gonna power inject this line here because that'll be right at about 90 feet. Could have did 36 volt, but we ended up just doing 24 volt on this house. And so we'll see how this will turn out. It's gonna look awesome. We did the lights over here and we got the lights here. We are gonna have to come across here because this is their bedroom and there's no attic access in this here. So we're gonna have to just hide the wire along the way there. Over here is where we are going to be putting lights all the way around. We just drilled the hole in it right here, and this is where we will run it into the garage. So we put a hole here and we're gonna put a hole up there, and that's where we will chase our wires through here, and then that way everything is going to be hidden. So here we're going to use a little green wire. We drilled a hole we didn't have to fix on the outside, so we're going to shift up in there and see if we can chase a hole and see it. Was you able to see if there was any light? So now we'll just have to do some chasing of holes. This here's that galvanized wire, works good. You can use Romex, you can use whatever you want. Fish tape.